Got my new RTX 2070 PC graphics card installed. Let's see if it boots. Because if it doesn't, then there's something wrong with the graphics card or however I put it in. But it's installed properly, so it shouldn't be. So let's see. Ooh. It's getting input. Yes! It works! Oh, it froze. Oh, it's probably downloading drivers or some crap. It works! Good. So now I don't have to do my 1050 Ti anymore. Big yeet. I can turn up GTA. Oh, that was... Normally doesn't do that. It's probably installing drivers or something, or it doesn't have them. Because I haven't installed the 2070. Oh, well, it already works. Let's see. Let's go to MSI Afterburner, see. No, let's go to GPU Z. I have GPU Z installed. It tells you like all the information in your graphics card. Why is it not focusing? There we go. This isn't a new RTX 2070, it reads it. TU106. Oh. Yep. It works. It works. Oh, I didn't plug in my Ethernet. Big chunk. Let's go do that. Yeah, I don't even know where that is. I can't find it. Big heck. Well, it works. So, yeah. There we go. The internet plugged in. Go away, Discord. There. That doesn't want to open. Alright. Well, it works. So, yay. Let's go to MSI Afterburner. Ooh. Oh, it reset everything. Well, obviously, because this is new. Doesn't say anything's running. Graphics card, nothing. Oh, it's probably because I don't have drivers. Right. Well, it works. So, yay.